If a cat experiences significant dehydration and an IV drip cannot be inserted, IV catheterization becomes quite challenging, especially with a cat like this one that hasn't consumed anything for 2 or 3 days, which has led to its dehydration being extremely severe. Then the straightforward approach for you is to at least you can administer IV fluid subcutaneously, and the procedure for this is that you need to take this butterfly needle and create a pouch. Then you place this right here in this specific manner, ensuring it's positioned correctly. And then, regarding this particular fluid, you are required to carefully and precisely administer a subcutaneous cut. And you must administer it very, very slowly so that the person receiving it doesn't feel any disturbance or discomfort, and they don't experience any sensation of pain whatsoever. The fluid, without exception, should always be maintained at a normal, comfortable room temperature. You should absolutely not apply anything cold. If you apply anything cold, the cat, will certainly start crying. But if you apply it very, very slowly, at least you can replenish all of their essential salts and electrolytes. And whenever the dehydration is completely resolved and over, then you can proceed with catheterization for the animal. You just need to hold it firmly in place so that the fluid can be released. This fluid will then slowly be absorbed by your system and become an integral part of your body.